Okay, hey, Jody here. So I am going to do a follow-up video. I had a couple people ask me about how to stream pre-recorded videos live into Facebook groups because the recent meta changes. You can no longer stream third-party API using third-party API apps, but you can use the RTMP. So you may want to watch the first video that I created showing you how to set up our RTMP. And basically all you're doing is you're using that same exact setup, except you're scheduling out your pre-recorded video. Okay. So I'm sharing my screen. I am in one of my groups, but I'm going to switch over to StreamYard and I'm just going to show you. Now, again, go ahead and watch my video, and I'll link to my video below. All right. That one just shows you how to set up your original RTMP so that you can still stream live into your group. But now I just want to show you how you can stream a pre-recorded video later on at a different date, at a future date in your group. Okay. So I am in StreamYard right here, and I'm just going to go to one of my older videos just for example purposes. Okay. So we'll just go to this one right here. So I'm going to click on schedule live stream. And as you can see here, I have my RTMP connection set up. So I'm going to stream that to my group called OBM and VA Pool Group. So I'm going to go ahead and click on there. And I'm going to do that. Let's say, let's see, what time is it now? It's 10:15. I'm going to stream that. Let me see. For, let's say, at about 10:20. Will it let me do it? Yep, it will in about 5 minutes or 10 minutes or so. All right. So I created I scheduled it for that's my start date. Now I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to come to my Facebook group where I'm going to be streaming this, right? I'm going to do the same exact steps that I showed you in my original video. So I'm going to create a post. I'm going to click on the live video to pretend like I'm going live. I'm going to click on go live. And again, you're going to need to put this, the title and the description. So I'm just going to come over here and I'm going to grab this real quick. Like that. And I'll say, here you go. Okay, because you have to have both of those. All right. And then, of course, we've already chosen streaming software because, we've already set up the RTMP connection. All right. So we really don't have to do anything there. So we have our title, we have our description. And I'm going to come over here. I'm going to post in the group, right? It already has the group selected. It says, when are you going live? I'm going to click later. I'm going to choose May 9th and I'm going to go with, okay, so this is a little bit different. So in Facebook Live, let's see, it is 10:10 p.m. It's not going to let me choose 10:20 like StreamYard will. So I'm going to choose 10:30 instead. Facebook must have some kind of limit, right? Into the future, So I'm going to choose 10:30. Okay. So May 9th at 10:30 is in my Meta dashboard. Today, which is May 9th at 10:30 p.m. is in StreamYard. So I'm going to go ahead and say, schedule that live video. Okay. Say okay. And then I'm going to come over to here to StreamYard and I'm going to say, create live stream. And that's it. And so I'm going to hit pause on here and I'm going to go ahead and go back over to my group at 10:30 and we're going to test this out and see if it streams. Okay. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I'm back. It's 10:30 and I just popped over to my group and I refreshed my page and take a look at this. I am live right now. This is the pre-recorded video that I just set up in StreamYard and I set up in the Meta live dashboard and it's good to go. It worked just like a charm. All right. So basically it's the same exact method that we use to stream live. So you open your StreamYard and you open your Meta dashboard, and the only difference that you're going to do is you're going to schedule for later. But the date and the time have to be exactly the same on StreamYard and on the Meta dashboard. Okay, that's it. I'm streaming. All right, cool. Hope this helps. Bye.